What's up and welcome back to my channel. So this past weekend was so amazing. I was able to attend Gen Beauty's Creator Day and Gen Beauty on Saturday. I put up a poll last week if you guys wanted to see what I got in my creator swag bag, which is like, hold on, stand by. First I need a sip of coffee, and then let me just stand up really quickly for this. Hold on. Look at this freaking bag, you guys. It's humongous. I don't even know, I would say it's about 40 pounds, and it is so heavy, and it's just filled with so many goodies. So I did message you up. I put up a poll on my Instagram, and hundreds of you definitely wanted to see it. So I wanted to come on here and just kind of, oh my God, this is ginormous. Now, as you can see from the title of this video, it is going to be a fun video to watch, and you want to stay tuned for a special treat that I have in the end, because I have something super exciting that I'm going to be giving away, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned for that. So why don't I just jump in and kind of just show you guys what's inside of this really cute bag. So on Friday, I was able to attend Creators Day by Ipsy, which is basically, it's a day that they completely dedicate to social media influencers for us to mingle, talk to brands, talk to PR agents that we've pretty much worked with for a little while. And you know, there was food there, some drinks there. It was so nice. They had amazing panels that were super insightful into the social media world today. And I definitely learned a lot of things that Friday. The biggest perk of attending Creators Day was that we went home with this bag, which I think is super cute because it says I came, I saw, and not I conquered, it says I contoured, which is super duper cute. I'm super thankful. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for allowing me to attend Creator Day for free, and you know, just to be there as a social media influencer. During Saturday, it was so nice. Some of you actually just came up to me to take photos with me, and it felt amazing. It's so sweet, and you know, I'm truly grateful that I was able to attend Creators Day and able to attend Gen Beauty, and you know, I'm just grateful that I even have this humongous bag full of makeup, and I'm here sharing it with you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of open it up and show you guys what I got going on here. So this is just crazy. So the first product that we have is from Moda Prismatic. Well, this is from Moda. So I guess it came with a 4 brush. It's a 4-piece face protecting kit. So it comes with 4 overbrushes, which is really cute. So the second product that we have in here is from Nomad. I believe this is a palette, and inside, oh wow, this is super cute. So it has a bronzer, it has a blush, it has 4 eyeshadows, it has a brush in here, a liquid eyeliner, and I believe this is the eyeshadow primer. So this comes in the box. Third product that we have in here is from Hask. I've seen this brand, but I've never tried it. It's a purifying dry shampoo, which we all know I live with dry shampoo. Like, I use dry shampoo every single day, so yeah. So next product is from, I'm gonna let Rose say it because I don't want to sabotage the name. Rose.
Sol de Janeiro.
Sol de Janeiro. So cute and sweet. Body fragrance mist, and it's called Brazilian Crush. I do believe this is a Brazilian brand. When I met with the PR person in Gen Beauty, he definitely had an accent. He definitely looked like he was from Brazil, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, next we have some brushes from Luxie. I love me some Luxie brushes. These is the Detail Face Rose Gold collection, and it comes with 5 brushes. I love Luxie brushes. They are definitely in my top 5 favorite brushes. So they came with 5 brushes, and the brushes include a flat blender brush, a round blender brush, an angled brush, a tapered blended brush, and a flat angled brush. The next product that we have in here is from a brand called Not Your Mother, or Not Your Mothers. And this is the All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector infused with natural keratin. I kind of want to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. You know what it smells like? Back in the day, I don't know, back in my day, we used to have ice cream trucks coming around all the time, and they had this one ice cream that was like a rainbow snow cone, and it smelled like Fruity Pebbles. This is exactly what it smells like, and you know what I'm talking about then. Next product we have, I'm seeing a lot of hair care in here. Next product we have is by Eva NYC, and this is their Satin Dream leave-in cream. So I believe it's just like a leave-in conditioner, and it is infused with argan oil, which is definitely gonna keep your hair super hydrated. Oh, so we have a couple of other things from Rose. I'm gonna need you to say the Brazilian name again.
Sol de Janeiro.
Sol de Janeiro. So we have a couple of other products in here. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and then we have the Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. And I think I've seen Rose actually use like one of their products. What did you say?
I use their hand cream, their Bum Bum Cream. I use all of their products.
How do you feel about the Bum Bum Cream?
I like it. It does firm and it smells amazing.
What is the Bum Bum Cream for?
It's supposed to tighten the skin. You're supposed to use it on your thighs for cellulite or for stretch marks. But you can use it anywhere.
Oh, thank God I have Rose here. So the next product that we have is from Oribe. I never tried their texturizing spray, but I have seen so many amazing reviews about it, and I've seen a lot of people use it. So I'm really excited to get this into my hair care or like my hair routine, because my hair recently has been so thin and fine, so whenever I try to like style it, it just falls right back down. So I'm glad to have a new texturizing spray to give my hair some volume. I really never use texturizing spray, but I'm really excited to try this out. Next product that we have in the swag bag is the Bioderma. This is a solution water, pretty much like a purifying cleansing solution water. You can use this PM, AM, and I believe you can use this to take off your makeup as well. I've seen it, never used it, so I will get back to you guys on how I feel about it if I ever use it. Hopefully I will. Next product that we have in here is from Briogeo. I'm gonna like butcher this name. What is it, Rose?
Briogeo.
Briogeo. It is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I actually got a little sample of this in my BoxyCharm this month of October, and it smells amazing. So I definitely cannot wait to use this because I have been needing a really good hair mask recently. So super excited to try. What's the name of the brand?
Briogeo.
Briogeo. This is one of my favorite mists, and as you guys know, I actually use the Belief Aqua mist in almost every single one of my tutorials. That's a part of like my skin prep routine. So I'm really excited to try the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I have heard so many great things about this mask. I cannot wait. I think I'm even gonna try it tonight from the second that I get home. So super excited to share my results with you guys, but you guys know how I feel about the brand overall. I use the brand pretty much every single day. So really excited to get this into my skincare routine. Next two products that we have in here is from Nexus. I have a shampoo and a conditioner, and this is for damage healing, which your girl really needs. We have a, which I think this is so cute. This is a moisturizer from Tony Moly. I actually didn't get to pop in their booth at Gem Beauty, but it was so packed and it was so busy. I really wanted to, but I literally could not get in because of the line. So this is a moisturizer. It's a little cute panda. Oh, that's so cute. Smells so good, and it is gel-like texture, and you guys know how I feel about my moisturizers being super jelly. Next product we have is from Patchology, and this is their Wink Wink 5-minute AM and PM eye gels. I have seen this a few times, but I will definitely be trying that out and letting you know my thoughts on it. We have the Marc Anthony Bye Bye Frizz leave-in conditioner. We also have, which I believe I saw another one in here. Let me just double check. Next product that we have is from Shea Moisture, and this is their silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment, and this is with marshmallow root. Next product that we have is from VDL. This is their Primer Fresh. I'm just assuming that this is just a face primer. And oh my god, this looks like luxury, you guys. It has some like sheen pearl iridescence going on around here. Okay, next we have some products from Physicians Formula. We were able to get their Cleansing Charcoal Detox Stick. And then we were also able to get in our bag a liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Very Healthy. Next product we have is from Givi, and I believe, okay, it says warning, edible skincare inside. So it kind of looks like Pillsbury dough cookies. It's kind of what it looks like, imagine. It's an exfoliating lemongrass face wash. The next product we have is from SOOO. It came in this really cute little baggie here. There's so much going on in here for this product, which is the Skin Glow Holo. This is a loose powder. So this is the Skin Glow Holo. It's a loose powder. It has some like shimmer and sheen to it. So something else in here. And we also have a glitter lip spark. I got it in the shade Smoky Quartz. Next product, we have some little cute samples in here from Vital Proteins, Freeman. Next product we have in here is from Acne Free. This is the Witch Hazel Mattifying Toner. We have from Coats the Healthier. I guess this is just a sunscreen and it has SPF 40. Next product we have is from Kula. I was actually able to, you know, chit chat with them at Curator Day. They gave me such an amazing care package to like take home. But this is their classic sunscreen. It's a moisturizer as well, and it's called White Tea. What I love about it is it has SPF 50. Your girl, like I have Irish and German in my blood, and when I get burnt and I get so freaking red, like it's crazy. I definitely need something that's like SPF 50 and up. And I'm going to start using some sunscreen in my makeup routine, because you are actually supposed to use sunscreen every single day. It doesn't matter whether you're in the summer, the winter, the fall, it's for every single season, because the sun, no matter what, will damage your skin, and the sunscreen will definitely support your skin and protect it from, you know, being exposed to the sun. Next product we have is from Wen. This is a hair and body dry oil intensive treatment spray. Next we have the Balm Meat Matte Schmaker. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at the colors in here. That is pretty. We were able to get a lot of samples of sheet masks and some skincare, which you guys know, like I love sheet masks. All right, we got some Buxom lash mascara in here. We got some Catrice products in here. We were able to get the Ultimate Chrome eyeshadow palette. We also have a setting spray, and then we also have a highlighting eyeshadow. So that also came in our bag. We got some Pixi products in here, Pixi by Petra. This is the Tinted Brilliance Balm. I was able to get the shade Rosy Red. Next product we have in here is by Dirty Little Secret, and it is this really pretty like nudish pink liquid lipstick. All right, we got some eyeshadows in here from Essence. This is super cute because it actually comes with a empty palette and then 4 eyeshadows for you to kind of like put your shadow pans inside. Super cute. We got some more mascara. This is from the Creme Shop. Ooh, we got some Jouer in here, some Jouer. This is the Longwear Lip Topper, and this is infused with coconut oil. I have the shade Champagne Pop. Then we also have this product from IBY Beauty, which I recently just collaborated with them. They have some really awesome products for you guys to try out. This is their Velour Liquid Lips. We have some liquid eyeliner from The Balm. I actually own this, which is amazing. Then we have a healing mask. This is turmeric, which you guys can see it's like bright yellow. I've seen so many people use turmeric in their skincare and their skin looks amazing, so super excited to try this product out. We have this Koki Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray. We have some Kiss Press On Nails for, you know, those days where you do not have your nails done and you know you're going to a meeting or something, you're gonna go out with the girls and you don't have the time to get your nails done. The next product we have is from Joa Beauty. This is their Glow Activator Radiance Primer. Now I was so intrigued by this and I heard so many good things about this primer, so I will be using this really soon. Cool little fact about about Joa Beauty, I was able to connect and talk to a couple of their PR agents, and they are super affordable. They're a brand new brand that recently just launched a few months ago, and I believe that they launched in Target and in CVS. Their products value anywhere, like their liquid lipsticks are like $2 or $3, which is extremely affordable. So it is a great drugstore brand. I use some of their products, like their liquid lipsticks. I tried some of the highlighters that they had, and they're really nice and they're super pigmented for the price that they are marketed as. So I would definitely check out your local Target, check out your local CVS, get in there and definitely try some Joa Beauty, especially since it's super affordable. Next product we have is from Pure. This is the Big Look Extreme Mascara. Hold on, you guys, I'm getting so freaking hot back here. My hair up in a little bean choke. And till this day, I still don't know how to pronounce this brand, Brendan.
Doocy. Are those C's? Or D's?
I would say this is Doocy, kind of like what Brendan said, Doocy. They gave me about 4 different eyeshadows, and then what they do is they give you like this really cute palette, and in the palette it's completely empty. So what you do is you grab your eyeshadow pans and then you stick it into the palette, which is super duper cute. I really love this. I think it's adorable and I think it's such a great idea. So their thought process behind this was that they wanted to create something that it would be unique for you. So pretty much what you would do is you would just go to like any one of their stores and you basically create your own palette. So you choose your own color pans, you name your own palette, and you pick the colors that you want for your specific palette, which I think is awesome because a lot of brands already have these palettes that have their colors chosen specifically for you to try out in the palette. However, this brand is saying come and create and customize your own palette with the eyeshadows that we have available for you, which is super cute. So that's pretty much it in this bag. This bag is completely empty. What I noticed in here, and I'll tell you guys like the honest truth, I noticed a lot of skincare and a lot of hair care, and I think that that's because skincare and hair care and like fitness and health right now is such a big thing in social media world. Everyone wants to look fit, everyone wants to look super healthy, everyone wants to have healthy hair, healthy skin. It's just so in right now. Yeah, like what are you guys into? Are you into like skincare now? Are you into makeup? I put a poll today, like if you guys wanted to see more skincare routines, and a lot of you wrote that you want me to do more skincare videos. So I will definitely do that. But I have some pretty exciting news, you guys. Hold on, stand by. So the best part of this video is here, and I know you know what it is because you can see the caption on this YouTube short. So I was able to snag 2 huge bags to give to 2 lucky winners. Now I will tell you that each bag is like so heavy, and it's literally around like 15 to 20 pounds each bag. I will be choosing 2 winners a week from today, and this is how you guys are going to win this insane giveaway. So one things first is you have to be subscribed to my channel. So what you have to do is you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to comment on here done, and then you have to go and make sure that you comment on the post on Instagram done, and I will verify and be checking everything to ensure that you guys are subscribed, and then I will be choosing 2 lucky winners next week. If you guys like me doing like more unboxings and showing you like packages that I get and stuff like that, let me know so I can do that on my channel for you guys, because you guys are always so intrigued when I'm opening up PR packages on my Instagram story. So if you guys would want me to put it on YouTube, I can definitely just like pile up a whole bunch of boxes and unbox on YouTube. So I will definitely see you back next week on my channel. If you did like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Ensure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys back here next week.